The Shingol or Dharmadanda will be installed in the newly built parliament by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This news has been in discussion across the country, with many being surprised by this move altogether. So in this video, we will learn about what exactly Shingol is and why does its installation in the parliament is of great significance for India in the 21st century. Namaste guys, welcome to your own channel Indian Geopolitics. India has undertaken the mammoth task of building a new parliament, as the old one was in dilapidated condition and was unsuitable for work any further. So the government of India undertook the task of building it from the scratch, as it would signify transfer of free independent India's parliamentary democracy from a colonial era structure to a newly built structure in independent India. On the 28th May of 2023, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate this grand monumental building. So the government of the day came up with the idea of linking this new building with India's 5,000-year-old civilizational past. Government thus decided to establish or install Shingol or Dharmadanda as a mark of continuation of civilizational governance of India. Shingol in case of India symbolizes transfer of power from British to independent India in 1947. If we look at the history of use of this Shingol, its symbolism was prominent throughout human history. The Persian Empire for more than 2000 years used a long scepter as symbol of monarchical power. Similarly, the Chinese empires used to keep a scepter called Yui as a symbol of king's authority over the kingdom. You can find a scepter still under use in Thailand, where the current ruling monarch, King Rama X, used it as a symbol of authority. In Thai language, it is called Than Prakhon. Same can be found in case of British monarch. However, in the case of Indian empires, the best known example of one of the longest ruling empires were that of the Chola dynasty. The Chola dynasty used to transfer Shingol as symbol of transfer of power across generation. The best known example that came to my mind was from the film Bahubali. India was to gain independence on the 5th August 1947, but the British Governor General Mountbatten asked the then Indian National Congress leader Jawaharlal Nehru to conduct some ceremony to symbolize the transfer of power from British to India. Jawaharlal Nehru then approached C. Rajagopalachari for some solution, and he, after long research, came across the practice of transfer of Shingol during the Chola dynasty. He immediately approached Thiruvavaduturai Adhinam in Tamil Nadu for construction of a 5-foot long gold-plated Shingol. The Adhinam approached a jeweler named Vimutti Bangaru Chetty, who had tasked with making of the Shingol. The Shingol or Dharmadanda is a 5-foot silver-made gold-plated stick with a Nandi bull on its top. Nandi is vehicle of Lord Shiva and represents strength and justice. The Adhinam's pontiff Sri Kumaraswamy Thambiran was tasked with going to Delhi with the Shingol and conducting the ceremonies. He handed over the Shingol to Lord Mountbatten, who handed it back to him. The Shingol was then purified by sprinkling holy water on it, and it was then taken to Nehru's residence to conduct the ceremonies, and the Shingol was handed over to the new ruler of an independent India. This Shingol after independence was transferred to Prayagraj Museum and was long forgotten after that. But out of curiosity, a well-renowned classical dancer Padma Subramaniam wrote a letter to Prime Minister's office in 2021 translating a Tamil article on Shingol. This act of her attracted Prime Minister Modi's attention, and finally the decision was taken to install this Shingol or scepter in the parliament on 20th May 2003 on the eve of inauguration ceremony. This installation would remind us about the great civilizational history of India and will guide us to chalk out a path towards a modern, bright future. On the eve of the Amrit Kal, various symbols are getting Indianized across the country to depict the rise of a modern civilizational state of the Republic of India. Stay tuned to know more. Like and subscribe your own channel Indian Geopolitics. Jai Hind.